Hi guys, this is Tom from Virtual Tours Creator and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade or downgrade your payment plan. So we are already logged in to your account. We are in the home section, and if you want to find all the details about your account, all you have to do is find this little button in the top right hand side corner, and when you click on it, it's gonna open two options: edit your profile and log out. You're interested in editing your profile, so just simply click on it, and as you can see, there's all your details without the password. That's where you add your logo for the tours, but we have it in another tutorial. All you need to do is find manage subscription. Simply click on it and it's going to take you to all the options that you can choose. As you can see, I'm now at the free subscription, so I can have one tour with up to 5 panoramas. And if you want to sign up for a starter or business or enterprise package, all you have to do is select this button, which is going to take you to setting up a PayPal account. If you do have a PayPal account, you just have to log in. If you don't, you have to create one and simply select. I'm going to tell you that you are upgrading your subscription. Unfortunately, I can't make the payment because I'm logging in as the owner of the account, but this is what you're gonna have to do. It's gonna take you through all the steps of the payment, and that's it. So to upgrade your plan, for example, from a starter plan to a business plan, all you have to do is find that little human in your home screen, as I said before, and come here to profile information and manage subscription. Once you click on manage subscription, you will see the current subscription that you have, and it says current plan Stara, which means this one is grayed out, $19.95 per month, billing monthly, active until. You can cancel subscription, or if you want to upgrade, let's say to business, all you have to do is click select. It's going to let you know that you are upgrading to a higher plan and your current plan will not be refunded. Your new recurring payment starts as of today. So if you want to use your starter plan all the way till the end of your payment, you might wait with upgrading. If you don't, you just press OK, and now you can see it's taking us out to a PayPal account, because we don't store any of your information, no credit card details or your personal details. Now all you have to do is log in to your PayPal account. All you have to do, if you had a PayPal account, you have to choose which payment method you're gonna use, whether it's your bank or your credit card. Let's say it's a credit card. I'm gonna go continue. So simply just follow the steps, and you will soon have your account upgraded. It's an easy task, nothing too complicated. Just follow the instructions. And there you go. You just upgraded your current plan from Stara to business, and you probably received a confirmation from PayPal to your email that you have just started a new monthly payment of $49.95. So that's it for today. If you want to downgrade or upgrade, all you have to do is press those select buttons and everything should run smoothly. Thank you very much for attention, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!